Ma'am, wala rin kayong alam. To cut the long story short.
No, Mr. Chair.
Where are you celebrating the activities of your celebration today? You are head.
Congressman Jill.
Pwede ba malaman namin sa OVP kung sino yung official na in charge doon sa pag-book ng plane tickets also with accommodation? Just to know the whereabouts of these officials, Mr. Chair.
I have no personal knowledge on this matter. Maybe the director for admin.
How about the other officials from the OVP?
Attorney Sanchez.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, we have a travel arranger in the office under the procurement division. But she's only...
Ma'am, wala rin kayong alam. To cut the long story short.
No, Mr. Chair.
Wawa naman yung opisina nyo. Lahat hindi alam kung nasaan yung mga tao ninyo. Nagkaroon na yata kayo ng amnesia lahat. Ano pa nangyari sa opisina ninyo? Lahat walang alam. From the chief of staff down to the department head. Lahat hindi alam.
Mr. Chair,
Or meron po kayong pinagtatakpan.
Mr. Chair, for flight bookings, Mr. Chair, there is a person assigned to flight bookings, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, I think that is procurement under her office, Mr. Chair. Attorney Sanchez, can you not call that person now? I'll give you 5 minutes po.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chairman,
The chair would like to recognize Congressman Ino D.
may we also ask what exactly is the event that's currently happening today? Meron ba po tayong, I don't know if I missed it earlier, ma'am, that they have to attend to? Ano po ba yung event or program na ginagawa ngayong araw na ito na ina-attendan ng mga staff po ninyo?
Okay. Your Honor, for this question, may I refer you to our Director for Operations?
Okay.
No? Director Baloro, please go ahead.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Yes, you are
Baloro.
Mr. Norman Baloro.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. The programs for the month of November.
No, for today.
Yes,
for
this
today.
is for the OVP Thanksgiving ceremony, Your Honor.
May idea po kayo details of the event or the program?
For the event, Your Honor, it's somewhere in Caraga, Your Honor.
Somewhere in
Caraga.
Caraga? Wala po kayong exact venue or details of...
No, Your Honor, because we have also our satellite lead who is also assigned in Caraga, Your Honor.
Can we ask the head of the satellite offices? So, can you coordinate with them? Ano po ba yung exact program natin ngayong araw?
Si Miss Regina
Of course,
Tecton.
we just have to ask.
Sino po yung head
Kasi
ng
nga po, we're all
satellite?
confused. Saan po yung mga taong ito? Ano po yung mga programa? Ngayon,
Maayong hapon kaninyong tanan. Mr. Chair, for today, the activity is in Caraga, I think in Hingoog, but the exact details will be under the satellite lead in Caraga.
do we have any coordination po with the satellite team in Caraga office, ma'am?
I will refer you to the Director of Operations because we are all under
Chair,
the
Mr. Chair,
operations.
just
po.
may I-
If this
may I-
has Mr. Chairman, we cannot have a referral office. Lahat na lang ng tanong, i-refer dito, i-refer dyan, i-refer dito. Wala ba kayong...
Pero ako po nasusurprise kasi yung director ng operation nandirito. Yung Special Project Division nandirito. Pero yung SDO, yun ang umiikot.
Mr. Chair,
Hindi ba dapat yung operation ang umiikot, hindi yung SDO?
Mr. Chair, may I
Yes,
interject?
Congressman
Just a very
Zia.
brief lang po. I think there seems to be a disconnect. Parang it's not only me, hindi nagko-coordinate but disconnect. I think kayo po yung head ng operations, Mr. Baloro, di ba?
Mr. Chair.
I think, Mr. Chair, you should know because you're the central office eh. Diba? Mga satellite offices, are you telling us that the satellite office work independently from yours, or that they don't at least send to you? I presume that's a very important occasion or activity. So, I mean, a simple question asked by Congressman Ino D, you cannot even tell us the exact location. What program is this? I mean, you're supposed to know everything because these are satellite offices. You're telling us that you don't care at all to even know the details. Kayo po yung sa central office. These are satellite offices. I mean, there seems to be a disconnect kasi nagtuturuan po kayo.
Isa lang po ang maliwanag dito eh. From Chief of Staff down to the Director, puro walang alam. Di parang may nagtatakipan po dito.
Mr. Chair, dagdag ko lang. So, kanina, Mr. Baloro, hindi mo alam kung saan eksakto sa Caraga ginaganap yung anniversary ninyo?
Mr. Chair, with regard to the places, because we have several locations for Caraga, so we have also our satellite leads who is now in charge with the identification of the location for the OVP anniversary in Caraga.
Okay, several, marami. Ano yung mga lugar na yun?
With regard to you, that with honor, may I also have a time for me to call with our satellite lead?
Alam mo, nagloloko na tayo dito eh. Sa totoo lang, kung meron man nagtataka kung bakit nabawasan yung budget ng OVP, ito na yung dahilan eh.
Your
Kasi
Honor.
hindi nyo may paliwanag. Simpleng activity ninyo. You can't even say for a certain fact kung nasaan. Sasabihin nyo maraming activities somewhere in Caraga, tapos hindi nyo man lang masabi kung saan. Anong klaseng celebration yun? Sobrang laki ba ng opisina ninyo na kaya nyong sabay-sabayin lahat ng barangay, lahat ng bayan sa Caraga Region? Not unless, of course, you're making a mockery of this committee. Mr. Baloro.
Your Honor.
Hold on. Are you making mockery of this committee, Mr. Baloro?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, so if no, then treat us with respect. Where are you celebrating the activities of your celebration today? You are head.
Caraga, Your Honor.
Where there? Do you know how big the Caraga region is?
For my personal knowledge, Your Honor, no.
Mr. Chair.
Mr.
Your
Chair.
Honor.
Yes, Attorney Lopez.
Your Honor, Mr. Chair, respectfully, may I be given a minute, please, to just discuss and confer with Director Baloro, if that's all right.
Pwede niyo po bang tawagan ngayon si Miss Gina Acosta, speaker po ninyo?
Si
Ayun po.
Miss Gina Acosta.
Miss Gina Acosta. Paki-speaker po nga po ninyo.
Mr. Chair, may I just add that
Yes,
for
Congresswoman
an
Luistro.
event as big as the anniversary of the office of the Vice President, I do not understand why the operations head is not knowledgeable about the place of the celebration and the matters connected thereto. And more so, Mr. Chair, it is a common practice that when one applies for a travel authority, it goes with the travel authority, the invitation or the program of the activity. Kayo po'y operations head. Wala man lang hubang program or invitation where we can make reference as to the place of the celebration and the officials who are supposed to be there other than the SDO?
Your Honor, for the 2024 Thanksgiving activities, Your Honor, I just learned that
Is it Thanksgiving or anniversary?
Thanksgiving anniversary. It's in line with the OVP anniversary, Your Honor. The title of our program, Your Honor, is Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving anniversary celebration of OVP. And-
Thanksgiving activity,
And
Your
it
Honor.
ranges for 1 whole week.
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you
af-
please cite again the inclusive period for that celebration?
Yes, Your Honor, from after our event on November 15, that is the 89th anniversary of the OVP. Right after that, we have our scheduled for the OVP Thanksgiving activities for all the 10 satellite offices, Your Honor.
Sandali po, ang pinag-uusapan muna po natin is celebration today.
Today, Your Honor, is the OVP Thanksgiving in Caraga, Your Honor.
And where in Caraga is it being celebrated?
It is simultaneously celebrated in, I've learned now, Your Honor, in our 3 municipalities. It's one city, Your Honor, it's in Hingoog, Magallanes, and Butuan City, Your Honor.
And why did you not seek for an excuse when you are the operation head and you're supposed to be the first person who's to attend that celebration?
Your Honor, because I went to Panay and Negros Islands already, Your Honor, last week. This is in it's municipality of Malay and municipality of Macataw in Aklan. So the reason why, Your Honor, for me to have a rest, Your Honor, my time also in the central office to sign few documents with regard to the medical and burial assistance. So the reason why, Your Honor, I need also to.
And how
report in
about the
central
program
office.
and the invitation which are supposed to justify the travel authority of your SDO?
Your Honor, with regard to the SDO, Your Honor, is I am the one who signing. I'm not the one who signed the document, Your Honor.
Yes, I understand, but as an operation head, you're supposed to receive as well, di ba? A copy of the program and the invitation, because you are the focal person in terms of field operation. Am I correct?
Yes, but Your Honor, with regard to
Hindi
the,
ka ba nila inimbita?
for Caraga, Your Honor,
As operation head, you're supposed to be invited. Tama po ba ako?
as part of my job, Your Honor.
I wish to see the copy of the invitation and the program. Would you like to produce them today?
Your Honor, with regard to my, Your Honor, with regard to my travel order, I'll provide the committee, Your Honor,
Which travel order are you referring to, Mr.?
for the schedules of the Thanksgiving activities, Your Honor.
What we are discussing today are the activities where the SDO is supposed to be present as provided in her travel authority. I do not understand why in her travel authority, the documents which are supposed to accompany them, the program and the invitation, were not mentioned by Attorney Zuleika and Attorney Sanchez.
Your Honor, I don't have the knowledge, Your Honor, with regard to the travel order of our SDO, Your Honor, because I am not the signing authority, Your
But
Honor.
do you have a knowledge in as far as the existence of this program and invitations are concerned?
With regard to the OVP Thanksgiving for Caraga, Your Honor, yes.
You have.
With regard to, Your Honor, with
Do you
regard
have
to
copies?
Thanksgiving.
Do you have copies?
With regard to the executive refer, Your Honor, I have.
Can you please share it to the committee? The invitation and the program for the Thanksgiving anniversary celebration in Caraga,
Yes, Your Honor.
where your SDO is supposed to be present.
With regard to the presence of our SDO, Your Honor, I cannot give you.
Because
with
that is the
doc-
justification provided in the travel authority. So I suppose that he's there attending the activity.
Your Honor, I can only provide you, Your Honor, the executive brief of the program of the Thanksgiving in Caraga, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, can we please direct our secretariat to solicit the copy of the program of activity as well as the invitation, Mr. Chair?
The Secretariat is requested to please get hold of the copy to Mr. Norman Baloro. Kasi yung Secretariat.
Mr. Chair,
page.
quickly lang po, if I may, I'll be allowed to interject with
Yes, Congressman
yes,
Sia.
with indulgence. I guess earlier, Mr. Chair, Congressman Flores requested our Sergeant at Arms to communicate, the issuance or the contempt order that we have just issued against certain individuals, and I guess SDO was part of among those individuals who recited in contempt. Did I hear it right, Mr. Toledo, Mr. Baloro, that you are currently today celebrating a Thanksgiving anniversary of the OVP, and probably these three areas andun si SDO?
Your Honor.
Yes, in Caraga. Kasi yun po yung reason niya kung bakit hindi siya pumunta dito. And maybe if we can go back to the earlier motion of Congressman Flores, we can already communicate kung nandun siya, maybe as a Sergeant at Arms, so that they can issue already. And they can probably confirm whether si STO ay nandun talaga sa Caragas para ma-secure natin siya. Mr. Chair.
The Secretariat is COMSEC.
Mr. Baloro,
May
sorry.
we request the Sergeant at Arms? Where's the Sergeant at Arms? Pakitawag po.
So Baloro,
Yes,
paki-mention
please
lang po yung areas you just learned just now, texted to you.
Your Honor, for the Caraga Satellite Office, Your Honor, for the Thanksgiving activities, we have simultaneously have the program for Hingoog, Magallanes, and Butuan City, Your Honor.
Oh, there you are, Mr. Chair. Hinguog,
Magallanes,
Magallanes,
Municipality of Magallanes, and Butuan City, Your Honor.
and Butuan City. Okay.
Mr. Chair, can I just add?
Please continue.
Mr. Baloro, what is the activity tomorrow? Where?
For the activities tomorrow, Your Honor, this is still for confirmation because, however, to answer your question, is in Southern Mindanao Satellite Office, Your Honor.
What towns po?
This is somewhere in Marilog, Your Honor.
Marilog, that's Davao City.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, no other place?
With regard to the Thanksgiving for the
I
Southern...
mean, the programs that where supposedly Fajarda spouses and Acosta are to be supervising tomorrow.
For the program here, Your Honor, it is in Southern Mindanao Satellite Office in Marilog, Your Honor.
In Marilog. Okay, so if they will not be in Marilog tomorrow, meaning they will be absent from their function supposedly. They were sent there supposedly to help out in this particular activity, correct?
Your Honor, to be honest, I don't have really the knowledge with regard to the travel order of the SDO, Your Honor.
You just heard Attorney Lopez read it out to you, to all of us.
Your Honor, I only have the knowledge with regard to the activities under the operations.
Now, as the head of operations, supposedly, alam mo kung sino yung pupunta doon from your office to help out, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And then you heard Attorney Lopez say that these persons were issued travel authority by Attorney Ortonio to help out in these activities, correct?
I presume, Your Honor, their
You
presence
presume.
will be there.
So I also presume that they should be there tomorrow. Otherwise, they will be absent and they will not be doing the performance, or they will not be performing their duties of which they were tasked to do. And of which they're saying that they're absent now because they're doing these functions. Correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
So they should be there tomorrow.
I presume, Your Honor, their presence
Okay.
will be there tomorrow, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you. The Chair would like to recognize the next interpellator, the Honorable